Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Mac meets basic requirements and signing into your Microsoft account. Once done, install the Xbox app from the App Store or open Xbox. .com/play in Safari or Chrome. Make sure your controller is charged and paired via USB or Bluetooth. This matters because cloud streaming and remote play need low input lag. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that now. This step gets your device authenticated and ready so the next steps can connect to games quickly. Now you pair the controller and optimize the network because latency is the main issue. Put the controller into Bluetooth sync or plug it in via USB to avoid dropouts. Next, run a quick speed test and prioritize Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. You want consistent bandwidth above roughly 15 megabits per second for smooth cloud play. Then open the Xbox app, pick either Xbox Cloud Gaming or Remote Play from your console, and adjust streaming quality to balance visuals and responsiveness based on your connection. You're ready to launch a game? Select Play for cloud titles or Stream to connect to your console at home. Once the session starts, tweak resolution and bitrate in the app to reduce stutter and remap buttons if input feels off. Make sure background apps aren't using the network. If something goes wrong, first restart your router and Mac, then repair the controller. If streaming still lags, drop quality one step. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves latency or disconnect problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.